Rotated. So the red is the bottom, the
Yeah.
blue, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and the valves are open. Okay, you okay?
Now
Okay,
it's
right
open.
now. Yeah,
In is open.
it's open. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna hook up this
To the vacuum.
to the vacuum,
Okay.
and then you put the air to the vacuum, let them vacuum,
Okay.
and your gauge will read most likely comes on below somewhere around maybe 10 or something, and this one stays on 0. Tied up all this, we don't leak vacuum here.
Okay. The vacuum, when I vacuum the both,
I won't put
which one
that over
open?
there. May scratch the paint. I just put it over here somewhere.
yeah.
Yeah. Well, when you do vacuum, you open both sides.
The both side.
Both sides need to be
sides.
open. Yeah, right now it's closed. I'm closing it. Then when you vacuum, open both sides.
Okay.
That will vacuum faster. You vacuum the both sides. Give him 15, 20 minutes. 15, 20 minutes later, you
read-
close these valves. 15, 20 minutes
Both
later,
valve.
both those valves close.
Okay.
When you close, then you disconnect the air from the
Compressor.
vacuum,
Okay. Then
disconnect the vacuum, and then you unplug this hose from the vacuum. You unplug it from the vacuum.
Okay.
You plug it here.
Okay.
And then you open up the valve, open up both of them, let them dump whatever. You can even do upside down to let them go in fast. Then you can close this one,
Close the.
close the red.
Right.
Then you need to run the compressor and look at the gauge.
Okay. So what's the
See,
gauge supposed?
somewhere around 200, 250 is good.
Okay.
And this supposed to be somewhere around 30, between 20 to 40 is good.
20 to 40. Okay.
Yeah, then you check the temperature,
Okay.
okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna go over to Dennis. I may have to go back, to buy a cooler for this. Maybe go aircraft spruce, I don't know. I may be hanging